for the money, but they are here to represent the flags of their communities and their stories and their support systems and their families and their friends and everybody in the room.